Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, we're going to do a review and unboxing. I had this for a long time already, but I don't have time to do it because I'm always busy, and I always see this in TikTok or any social media. So I said, why not try it? So I'm such a gaya, but it's okay. At least I'm going to try it, right? Let's try. I'm gonna do it now. So look, it's that size. Let's see inside, because I promise guys, I did not open this one yet. Oh, there's another box inside. I saw in Amazon. Some of them are expensive, but I don't need expensive one. So this one, guys, you see how small? It's just this. So it says in here, Astro A1 portable mini refrigerator. Go to the features. So this one is, it says here, 4 liters capacity, chill or warm, car and wall adapters, environmentally friendly. Always nice. The good thing is it's quiet operation, because I'm gonna put this in my room, so I don't want any noise. Only the AC is noisy. So the operating input and voltage range is for USA, Canada, Japan. It's 100 to 120 volts. Denmark, France, UK, 200 to 240 volts. So car input voltage range is 12 volt. Operating temperature is 32 Fahrenheit for the chill, and for the heat is 150 Fahrenheit. Let's do and open it now. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, I need to be careful. Look at this, guys. It's pink, you know, girlaloo. It says there, and I saw it in Amazon in their actually in the review, that you can use this also when you do the camping or when you travel. When you do long drive, you can use this too. You see, guys, there's a handle in here. You see how cute is this one? And you just need to open. Voila! Isn't it cute? They have the manual, and this is the stuff you're gonna. Let's open this, okay? So the wirings. So this is for home, and this is for the car, right? It's cool. So you just need to put this in here, I guess. I'm gonna break this. So this is how it looks like. The on and off is here, so it's, I mean, off is in the middle. If you want your stuff be warm, it's gonna be in here. If you want cold, in here. So there's an indicator. Red is for warm, green is for cool. Okay, so I guess, yeah, so this one is on top, like in here. So the bottom one is for home. So you see how cool is this one, guys? There's a handle, just open it here, and I need to be careful. I don't want to break this. So there's divider. You can put your skincare in here, everything that needs to go inside the fridge. So the next video, guys, I'm gonna show you what I put in here. So I hope, guys, you like my video. So guys, basically that's all for today, and I hope you like this unboxing and a review as well. For me, there were lots of brands in Amazon that they are expensive, but when I checked the review, only this one has a lot of good reviews. So I go for this because of the good reviews, not because of the price. So guys, having this mini fridge will help me to prolong and have a good skincare products or beauty products. My final thoughts for this Astro A1 mini fridge product is, I would say it benefits on me. Okay, you know why? Because I love my skincare always fresh. I want my skincare to stay longer or last longer. Like when you put your stuff in the fridge, for sure it increases the longevity of your products or the products. Okay, so number one, the benefits of having a mini fridge is to increase the longevity of the products. Number two, far as I know, that if you put your products in a cool place or in the fridge, the effect of the product on your skin is different. It absorbs so quickly. It's refreshing. So for me, I will need it. I know it's kinda fancy to have this, but for me, as long as my stuff are okay, as long as my stuff will last longer, I don't mind to have this one. Okay guys, so to those who want to buy this one, I'm gonna put the link down below. I bought this in Amazon, so you can just check it, and maybe you wanna try it also. For me, I will highly recommend to have this one, especially for your skincare, for your perfume, or to your beauty products. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I love you. Stay safe and God bless. Okay, Bye.